Hi, my name is Joyce. I'm in the USI technical department. Today we're going to show you how to change a temperature board on a CSL 2700. First, make sure you have the machine unplugged, and I've already taken off the right side housing with these four 3mm metric Allen wrench screws. The same screws that are on this side of the machine. Once you get the cover off, this is your temperature board right here, this green board. It actually looks like this. This is actually a board that is missing a couple wires, but I wanted to show you on the CSL you have 3 wires that are black, red, and green. When you get the new temperature board, your wires that are the colored ones, the black, red, and green, you have to cut and splice the wires because they go over to the other side of the machine. In order to take the board off, there are 6 Allen wrench screws here that are 2mm metric. Once you take those screws off, the board will come down towards you. As you can see, there are tie wraps, so in order to replace the wires, you have to cut the tie wraps. You want to make sure you take a picture of where the wires plug into, or draw yourself a little map, or I could email you a wiring diagram. Once you put the new board in and you attach the wires, you put your screws back on, and that's how you change the digital temperature board on a CSL 2700.